Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to remove or replace the coolant overflow bottle. Stay with us guys, we'll explain how to do that and we will explain what else we recommend to do guys at the same time. So make sure you stay until the end. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Now let's explain something here guys, what we have. Okay, what we're talking about, this coolant overflow bottle. This one usually will be full of coolant guys, okay, full of coolant, okay, somewhere between the low and full mark. Now, there are a few possibilities that you can do here guys. One is to drain the whole cooling system, that's what we're doing here, but because we'll be actually, okay, we'll be putting new thermostat as well, you can find the video on the channel. Also, I recommend to flush the whole system and put new coolant. The other option is guys, okay, just to remove and replace the reservoir only. But always when you work on the cooling system guys on your car, work on cold car. Let it sit at least overnight guys to make sure that the coolant has no pressure. Open that cap slowly, make sure there is no pressure. Now if you're replacing the bottle only, okay, we'll recommend what to do. Okay, right here, grab that hose and pull it straight up, just like that, from the radiator. That way you're not going to leak out. Then you have one bolt that you need to remove with a 10mm socket. Okay, check it out right there. And you have another one that's hidden towards the back side. Okay, perfect. Now we grab it. Okay, gently and pull it straight up. And this is the coolant overflow bottle. If you hold that hose up, you're not going to leak anything out. So that's what we'll recommend. But in my opinion, the best route is to drain the coolant, replace that, put new thermostat, put new coolant, okay, especially if you have a higher mileage car and you're ready to go. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.